हेलो दोस्तों, अगर आप भी पैसा कमाना नहीं चाहते और कुछ नया सीखना नहीं चाहते हैं तो अभी इस वीडियो को स्किप कर दें। ग्रेट, थैंक्स फॉर कंटिन्यूइंग दिस वीडियो। लेट मी बी वेरी स्ट्रेट एंड डायरेक्ट with you. I am super excited to announce a mentorship program for the next 6 months wherein I am going to share live my personal trades with you and the weekly strategies which I deploy in my account and the intraday strategies which give me a super duper results. Every evening we will be conducting online Zoom sessions wherein you can ask your doubts and I am there to clarify those doubts. Kindly do not consider them as the calls or tips provided by like any other Telegram channel. We are here to share our personal trades which we personally take. So I'm not gonna share with you the profit screenshots like others do. So until and unless you learn, they are worthless. Now the question arrives, why me? Because I am an NSE certified trader cum trainer. Also cleared 60-day challenge conducted by Zerodha twice and the third one is in row. We are just not finished yet. We have our own YouTube channel where we post regularly the knowledgeable and informative content. By watching them you can learn a lot of stuff. Please do consider subscribing our channel. So why are you waiting? Come on, start your learning journey from today itself. So here we are. This is our Telegram channel where we are sharing our daily personal trades both in equity and index options. Go check below, link given in description. More than 500 plus students have already completed their mentorship program and these are their honest feedback about us. So at last but not the least, I urge you to follow us in Instagram and join us in Telegram channel. Thanks for your wonderful time and watching this video. So see you live in Telegram. Till then, take care. Bye bye.